The cat-cow stretch is a great stretch to do in your routines because it will relieve tension in your back and your neck. It will help you with your posture and flexibility, and it relieves back pain. So the way to do this is we're going to get on all fours on our mat. Bring your hips and your knees in line. Your hands under your shoulders. Shoulders are back and down. Okay, so we're gonna have our abs tight, and we are going to bring our back up and bring your hips under. So tuck your hips under. Bring your head forward. Hold this. Now we're going to reach up with our head. Arch your back. Feel that stretch. And just alternate between the two.